Hi guys, so we are here in Dili, Timor Leste at the Hotel Timor, and I'm going to give you a quick room tour of uh, just a basic room here. There isn't really a lot of choices of room types here. Let's start over here in the washroom, which is a washroom. There's not a whole lot to see. Uh, Pretty basic stuff. There's a shower cubicle here with sliding doors and just not much else really. And you've seen the really bare bones washroom. And over here we've got a large sliding door coat rack. There's a safe down here because that's a feature. Although I think we broke it because it's not working anymore. And a little tea coffee station. They give you a bottle of water. A couple places to put suitcases. Well, actually, one place to put a suitcase, and I have mine's on a glass table over there, glass coffee table, and a couple of chairs. Two twin beds. There's a stand here with some cabinetry or drawers down here, and a small fridge here. And there's a desk over there with a window looking out at something on the ground level. We're on the first floor, it said, but I think one for them means two actually. Anyway, there's a small TV here. There's no HDMI in or anything, so I can't plug in something like a Chromecast or connect a laptop to it. But the TV channel card says that they have HBO, so that might be promising. And Nat Geo, actually a couple of Nat Geos. So yeah, that's as much as there is to actually one of the better, if not one of the best hotels in Dili in Timor. Dili is the capital city of Timor Leste, and this is almost as good as it gets here. All right, thanks for joining in. See you guys next time. Bye.